Making Gothic Calligraffiti artwork. In next couple of courses we will discuss general ways of creating Gothic letterpiece. While creative process varies from artist to artist, it's always gravitates towards certain approach. We'll discuss two major branches, lettering and calligraphy. Each method has its own pros and cons. Lettering means drawing letters, focusing on their form. Calligraphy, writing letters, with focus on their dynamic. Artists develop their own method that highlights their strengths and compensate weaknesses. In this particular course, we will discuss random calligraphy approach and digital editing in style of calligraphity.